We get it. We're consumers too, and we know times are tough. The cost of living is on the rise, and cleaning services might not be the first thing on your mind when it comes to budgeting. That's why we're committed to offering a welcoming and affordable way to keep your property looking amazing through affordable and specialist cleaning services. We offer discounts and rewards, online pricing and booking, and if that's not enough information, then simply watch one of our videos demonstrating our services being completed and read our reviews. Now then, other than our professional tools and knowledge, here's what you can expect. Exclusive discounts. As a loyal customer, you'll receive special offers and discounts on our cleaning services throughout the year. Whether it's a seasonal promotion or a limited time deal, you'll always have the opportunity to save. Tiered rewards. The more you use Shining Windows, the more you'll earn. Our tiered reward system allows you to accumulate points with each service, which can be redeemed for discounts, free services, or even merchandise. Referral bonuses. Spread the word about Shining Windows and get rewarded. Refer your friends and family, and you'll earn points or discounts for each successful referral. We provide specialist exterior cleaning services. Join our loyalty program today and start enjoying the benefits of being a Shining Windows customer. Is this satisfying? What a transformation. Call us on 01604 263 189.